Welcome to a remarkable journey unveiling Dr. Massimiliano Verde's passionate mission to safeguard the endangered Neapolitan language and cultural legacy. Grounded in international human rights, official documents emphasize linguistic diversity as a universal right, connecting language protection with cultural peace. Academic milestones and international collaborations highlight Dr. Verde's initiatives, uniting scholars across continents to cherish and sustain Neapolitan heritage globally. Detailed scientific research and progressive educational reforms demonstrate a commitment to preserving Neapolitan language, blending tradition with innovative pedagogy steadily. UNESCO recognizes the Neapolitan language as vulnerable, prompting efforts to preserve its unique musical, theatrical, and culinary cultural expressions worldwide. Despite rich heritage, Neapolitan teaching remains scarce in schools. International resolutions urge integration of minority tongues in modern curricula today. The NUGE project calls for immediate action by UNESCO and authorities, uniting communities to secure Neapolitan heritage for future generations.